Okay, guys, Ibeto Seaport and Terminals just began operations in Porthacourt, River State. Okay, this is a very fantastic news coming out from the city of Porthacourt and the entire south. Like the Ibeto Seaport and Terminal has just began operations. It has become official. It was look at the seaport, look at how the seaport is really looking. I think this is a welcome development. This is finally the time in which the congestion in Lagos is going to start. This is the time in which people have to move out from Lagos because the independency on everybody moving to Lagos is about to be reduced right now. Ibeto Seaport has begun operation. Also, the Warri Seaport has begun operation together. And the Ibeto Seaport is really looking fantastic. They met some of the CEO, Mr. Cletus Ibeto, who spoke on the new development and also gave clarification on the procedures on how clearing is done at this seaport. The seaport is really looking nice, and some ships has already docked, and some of goods has already been been dropping down. I think this is a wonderful development, not just for the entire southeast or south, but the whole Nigeria in general. And they look at the seaport and hear what the management had to say about it. The management say the seaport, if your goods and everything arrive, it just takes just 3 days for you to get your clearance and get your goods and move along with your businesses. No more hold up, no more stuck in traffic and the rest of them. Just look at the seaport and tell us what you think about it.
Seaport and Terminals, Porthacourt, River State, number 1.
You are highly welcome to Ibeto Seaport and Terminal. It's a registered and approved seaport in Nigeria.
Once you import your goods, examination is done, you pay your custom duty, then they release your containers. Then you have
internet services and so on and so forth.
24 hours.
24-hour services in this seaport. There is no downtime. So we are here to compete in the market. And you never forget, we have been in business, in the cement and other businesses, so we know what competition is all about. And good service is what goes out there to market you the more. So the customs here too are there to make money for the government. So they are there to also give you a very good service, and we are monitoring what they are doing. And we are sure all the customers, anybody that comes here must have a testimony compared to other services that get from other seaports.
Ever since this seaport was commissioned, businessmen around southeast, south, they are all testifying.
We have signed up with PIL, we have signed up with Muscline, we have signed up with Hapag-Lloyd and other container lines. Now the customers who can book their containers from Ibeto.
Once your goods reach our port, within 2 or 3 days, it's out.
Within 2 days, it's out.
It's out, so you don't need to bother yourself on that.
Here is very central because it's within the city. So customers prefer to clear their cargoes from here because of the accessibility. Because from here, about how many kilometers, they'll just hit the Porthacourt Aba roads.
We have Custom Command Area 5. We have a CAC, Custom Area Commander, in our terminal.
As you can see, Nigeria Customs Services, Ibeto Seaport and Terminal, Area 5 Command, Porthacourt. Join me.
The Ibeto port is well organized. They are out for business, knowing the competitive nature of this business. And one of the beautiful things here, you can ship your goods directly to the seaport, just like as it is done in Lekki Deep Seaport in Lagos. And the seaport I can compare with this Ibeto Seaport in Nigeria is Lekki Deep Seaport. Both are well organized. You know, one of the problems some seaports in Nigeria always face is congestion. 70% of factors that contribute to this are the attitude of our custom officers. They do create a lot of bottlenecks in the port, which delay clearing of goods in the port. And this terminal has been able to solve that because sometimes the attitude of customs mess some ports up. The clearing agents will be running away looking for another port where the clearing of their containers will be easy for them. And this is one of the things I like Ibeto Seaport has been able to solve. They will keep monitoring the activities of some custom officers. That was what the management of Lekki Deep Seaport did in Lagos. And the businesses was flowing in the port. There is nothing like delay in clearing of goods in the port except if the container has a problem, which may cause further delay in clearing it.
Prefer to use our terminal because we as a seaport, we have modern machineries to cover 24 hours operations here. And we have a friendly port officials also that will help to solve any of your problem within the port area.
We have positions of the Nigerian Ports Authority, Nigerian Immigration, Nigerian SON, and so on and so forth. NAVDAC, Port Police, they are all situated. All the arms of the government of Nigeria, both security and otherwise, are here, taking care of all the goods that are coming to Ibeto Seaport. Seeing is believing. Try us and you can't go to any other place. The kind of services we render has not been given to any seaport in Nigeria.
This seaport was established for more than 2 years now, and we have been into operation. We handle bulk cargoes and also containerized goods. So all we are seeking is for the support of our people, because if they keep supporting us, we will thrive. And the support can only come from our people, importers, wherever they are, exporters. We can handle their cargoes. So we are all seeking for their support.
The only thing I like about this seaport is the proximity. It is very close to Aba. This is the time for importers from Onitsha, from Aba, from Owerri, from Enugu to patronize Ibeto Seaport. Send all your consignment directly to Ibeto Seaport, and you will have your goods cleared with no stress at a minimal cost. Not only that, it is situated in a location that is very close to your businesses.